बात ठीक लग रहा है? बहुत ही तगड़ी वीडियो बनने वाली है मुझे लग रहा है।
आदत नहीं है ना यार, स्कूटी भी ऐसे चलाती हूँ मैं।
तू भी रहेगी क्या इसमें? और तो मेरी स्नैप बना दी बढ़िया बढ़िया।
अरे चेयर रोल आउट कर सकती हूँ।
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है। चलो आज ये तुमने इतना सस्ता में कर दिया ना, तो फन यार। Hi, I'm Shivani Sharma and I work here as a general manager.
Hi, my name is Parul Sonic. I'm working here as a part of HR team.
Hi guys, my name is Tanu Seni and I'm taking care of the all admin related things.
Hi, my name is Ishita and I am a data analyst.
Hi, my name is Ridhima Shukla and I am Executive Assistant to Managing Director.
My name is Soni Talwar. I am working as a trainer.
Hi everyone, my name is Shreya Pathak and I'm the Social Media Manager.
Hi, my name is Pragati. I'm working as HR Executive.
Have you ever been told that this is not a woman's job?
Yeah, many time. मतलब it's like बहुत बारी लोगों ने बोला है कि आपका जॉब नहीं है, what are you doing here, property dealer. But at the end, I'm paying my checks, so I know at the end that how's it going.
And I hire for sales profile. Parents ना थोड़े से हिचकिचाते हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में. Even when I entered, my brother was like कि यार real estate है, सोच ले एक बार. But then I thought let's just give it a try and अब तो 3.5 साल हो गए हैं. It has been a wonderful journey.
Every time. From the beginning, I guess कि नहीं तुम्हें ये नहीं करना है, तुम्हें वो नहीं करना है, स्पेसिफिकली तुम्हें इस फील्ड में जाना है, इसमें नहीं जाना, बहुत ज़्यादा.
I know sales थोड़ी सी मेल सेंट्रिक होती है and real estate specifically, but I am very happy to see कि अब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लड़कियाँ real estate में participate कर रही हैं. They are actually in real estate to work and to grow. They know okay ठीक है ये बैटल फील्ड है, हमें जाना है और हमें काम करना है और हमें पैसा कमाना है. बहुत यहाँ पे डिपार्टमेंट्स थे जिनको लगता था कि एडमिन में लड़की नहीं कर पाएगी, बट आई प्रूव देम रॉन्ग.
The biggest misconception people have about women in leadership roles.
For me, the biggest thing which I have, observed in a couple of years that I look very young, ठीक है. So all the customers in which, I'm going in a meeting with someone in my team, so the client will talk to them. They're looking at them and they're talking to them and I'm giving the reply, sir, so the rate is this, the cost sheet is this, and they're saying, अच्छा, तो इसके बाद क्या रेट हो जाएगा? So being a female is really tough कि लोगों को लगता ही नहीं है कि आप अगर एक लड़की हो और अगर आप even if you are a leader तो आप ये सब काम कर सकते हो. All my teammates including Guru, Vinay, Gaurav, they said, sir senior ये हैं, ये समझाएंगे.
Is there a mantra you follow in your life?
I don't chase, I attract. What belongs to me simply comes to me.
Go with the flow. बस अगर कोई चीज़ करनी है तो कर दो, बाद में अच्छी होगी तो अच्छी बात है, क्लैपिंग हो जाएगी, नहीं होगी तो कोई बात नहीं, लेसन मिल जाएगा.
शुक्र एंड सब्र, that's all.
The mantra I live by is that everything happens for a reason. If you wrote a letter to your younger self, what advice would you give?
I don't want my younger thing to grow up, to change. So I don't want that Soni Talwar to change herself. अगर मैं पुराने दिनों में भी जा सकूँ, वैसे तो नहीं जा पाऊँगी, बट अगर जा सकूँ तो मैं चाहती नहीं हूँ कि मैं उसमें कुछ भी बदलूँ. मैं एज इट इज़ वैसा ही रहना चाहती हूँ.
Don't be shy. What's inside you should be, हमेशा बोलो, बताओ. It should be clear and bold. Like हाँ मुझे करना है, मैं ये करूँगी. Travel, explore, be confident. किसी से डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Just don't be so hard on yourself. जो अच्छा लग रहा है करो, जिसमें मज़ा आ रहा है करो. Just be yourself.
Dream big as you used to dream when you were a child.
Life cannot always be sunflowers and strawberries. So life will give you challenges. ऐसे challenges जहाँ तुम्हें लगेगा कि यार you cannot even do it. But then face every challenge with a smile. Who holds a special place in your heart and what's your favorite memory with them?
In 2020, I lost my father and I don't think that I could move on from that till now. But yes, maybe I just wish कि I could, follow his legacy और मैं बस उनकी तरह बन पाऊँ.
My father is my backbone because whenever I felt I could not do it, he was the one who stood me up that no Ridhima, you can do it.
With my sisters, there are a lot. जो मम्मी के बाद पाला तो मेरी बहन ने पाला है, सब कुछ उसने ही हेल्प करी है. मतलब पढ़ाई लिखाई से लेके मारना पीटना मम्मी ने नहीं करा, पापा ने नहीं करा, हमारी बहन ने मुझे बहुत मारा है, उन्होंने ही सुधारा है और हर चीज़ में सिस्टर्स ने बहुत हेल्प करी है.
All the moments I shared with my mother, they are a memory to me. Especially the Diwali shopping, because now whenever I'm going to the shopping, I'm going alone. So she used to be my partner in crime. We used to go to shopping together. Everything we used to do together. We both were chai addicts.
Everything like मुझे लगता था कि मम्मी है तो लाइफ में सब कुछ sorted है. I cannot imagine my life without my mother. सो एकदम से वो जो हुआ तो वो पूरी लाइफ मेरी चेंज हो गई उसके बाद. टोटली डिफरेंट सोनी तलवार.
My mother and I went on a date, so it was very special moment. I realized my mother loved eating orange, you know, that candy bars. That was my very special memory. जैसे मैंने अपनी mother को देखा, she was smiling so brightly at that side की wow orange candies. और फिर उन्होंने वो ट्राई करी थी, तो that was very special memory for me.
Your go-to hype song when you feel demotivated.
Okay, so there's a very old song from the movie called Tara Ramtan. So I love that song. Whenever you know मेरी कोई बुकिंग नहीं आ रही है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, just switch it on. सारे शीशे ऊपर करके कोई मुझे जज ना करे गाड़ी में. I just volume up and it's like राही का तो काम है चलता ही जावे सैयारे सैयारे.
मैं बजरंग बान सुनती हूँ पर्सनली.
कुड़ी नू नचने दे. Thunder is one of the like best songs.
My go-to hype song would be something which gives me instant motivation. One is Ashine and Luka Chupi, especially that one line in that, you know. Jahan udne ko tere. So yeah. What advice would you give to girls chasing their dreams?
Just be you.
Be bold, be brave, speak what your heart says.
Stay positive, just do your work, be bold. It is very important to speak for yourself, to stand for yourself and to say no where you feel कि हाँ ये चीज़ गलत है. Wishing you all a very happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day.
A very, very happy Women's Day to all the beautiful girls out there. Be bold, be creative, be thankful, be grateful, and just enjoy your life. You only got one.